Hey. What is up, world? Hopefully, I'm not too quiet. Kind of hard for me to talk right now. I don't have much of a voice because it is allergy season. All the trees are coming back into bloom. And actually, on top of that, for me, I ate some contaminated food recently and sparked one of my other allergies. So for the last couple days, I have just felt just terrible, honestly. It's been like super hard to be productive. It's really hard to keep my mind going straight. Like I can't focus on anything. So honestly, I don't know if this flying will be very good or what. Probably not. But I had to come out and fly just to burn some packs. It's also pretty windy right now, which, we know isn't too great. So we'll see how that goes. But food allergies are no joke. Like I really have been pretty much incapacitated for the last couple of days, just like laying in bed, being a lazy bum. And then just pollen seasonal allergies, man, they can be painful, and I'm dealing with symptoms from both at the same time. Life sucks. But yeah, I don't have that usual juice that I have to go out and rip packs. We'll see how it goes. Rock and roll. Sync that video. This sucks too, because the weather just got good. Or it's getting good. It's kind of off now, but it's leaning towards good. The trees are blooming. And I really wish I could be juiced about it and happy to be out flying and stuff. But my whole kind of body and mind right now is being taken over. But whatever, once again, here we are. I can't even roll down the window, man. Like, if I do, I got pollen and stuff flying in here. Like, it's gonna be painful. I wonder if this is even, let's see. I'm gonna point this up a little more, because I don't know how much the camera is catching the video, or catching the controller, or what. Probably, honestly, just for how little in the last couple of days I've really been flying, I feel rusty, honestly. Also just flying like 2 different quads that are set up relatively different, like different KVs, and well, actually different motor sizes and KVs, and then just the fact that this quad's like a bit longer than the other one, which has some impact on the way that it handles. I'll just put it that way so far. Yeah, this definitely isn't worth watching. I'm for real just cruising around right now. It was weird. Another thing, I think these batteries may have been charged for a couple days. Probably should have burned them like 2 days ago, but I don't even remember, to be honest. It's all just been kind of a messy blur. Woo! Pulled it off, kinda. It was dirty. Yeah, this is fun. This little thing. Baby. huh? Huh. Should I turn my... I don't like that bounce. Why is there that bounce right there? Where'd that come from? I shouldn't have that bounce. I don't think I've actually tuned this quad to these props really at all, actually. These are the T-Motor 5143 if I'm not mistaken. And I like them. They got a grip that like other props really don't have. Just kind of makes me realize why a lot of the like super tech pilots use them. Shit. Oh. We would have been okay. Should have just kept going. And then we ended up on the concrete, which probably dinged a bell. Or the stator, or not the stator, but, or the... Yeah, stator? Not the stator. The dang pin thing on the... Man, I guess I asked for that. That sucks. I knew today wouldn't be good. And I hit the car. It's all bad. All bad. Baby. Can't be bumping the car, babe. Can't be bumping the car.